we are back at Keystone, Thanksgiving Day 2019. So happy Thanksgiving. But by the time most of you see this, Thanksgiving will be gone. So hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Getting ready to hit School Marm, 3.5 mile run all the way down to the bottom. And your legs are gonna be burning. But enough talking, let's get to it. All right, got a pretty sick drop off right here. I don't know if that shows up in camera at all, but let's do it. Oh boy, just wiped out. Wipe out. Whew. Straight downhill. That was nasty. Alright, I had to take a little break there. My feet are killing me. Let's do it. Arrived at the Marriott Mountain Valley Lodge in Breckenridge, and it's time to hit the slopes. Let's go.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
that's going to wrap this one up. I'll leave you with some drone footage of Breckenridge that I took. We had an excellent time, and I highly recommend both Keystone and Breckenridge to everyone, although I would say Breck is a little better for beginners. Likes and comments are appreciated, and for those of you new to the channel, I'm giving away lifetime subscriptions totally free, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.